Your DJI Pocket might still be charging, but if the charge status doesn't show on the screen, it can be confusing. Many users get worried not knowing the simple fix. This can happen because of firmware glitches, screen settings, or charging cable issues. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the charging status not showing problem. So let's fix it right now. Before doing anything else, make sure you are using the official DJI USB-C charger and cable. Solution 1. Turn on LED option. First, turn on the camera, then swipe down to bring the menus. Now, tap on Settings from the left corner of the second row. Now scroll down a little bit, and after that, find the LED option. Now make sure to toggle it on. Solution 2. Force restart. First, disconnect the charger. Then press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. Next, reconnect to charger and see if charging status appears. If still you are facing the same issue, then follow solution 3. Firmware update. First, make sure to connect internet on your phone. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Then connect the Pocket 3 to the app. If the app detects the camera, if any updates are available, an update will appear on the top of the home page of the app on your phone. Then install the latest firmware update. Sometimes a firmware mismatch can prevent startup and updating usually fixes it. And that's all for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.